Deforestation and forest degradation pose critical threats to the environment, contributing significantly to climate change and biodiversity loss. The United Nations 2020 report reveals over 420 million hectares of forest have been lost since 1990, driven largely by agricultural expansion, which is responsible for 77% of deforestation. This expansion includes large-scale commercial agriculture, such as cattle ranching and the cultivation of soybeans and oil palms, as well as subsistence farming. The issue is exacerbated by a growing global population, increasing demand on agriculture, and subsequently impacting biodiversity and agricultural resilience. The European Union has taken a notable step to combat deforestation with its regulation on deforestation-free products, aiming to eliminate the EU market's contribution to deforestation. This regulation targets commodities like palm oil or cocoa. It mandates that operators and traders ensure their products are deforestation-free, adhering to local laws in the countries of origin and providing precise geo-coordinates for commodity production areas. Additionally, it includes a requirement for due diligence and risk assessment reports to certify that the commodities do not originate from deforested or degraded lands since December 31st, 2020. The regulation underscores the importance of Earth observation technology, including satellite-based positioning, EGNOS Galileo, and satellite data, Copernicus, in monitoring and compliance checks. By leveraging EO data, the EU aims to create a global benchmark for forested and deforested areas, enhancing supply chain transparency and enabling effective monitoring of deforestation activities. The initiative is expected to reduce carbon emissions by at least 32 million metric tons per year, contributing to the EU's climate targets under the European Green Deal and supporting sustainable land management practices. Despite the potential challenges in implementation and enforcement, the EU's regulation represents a groundbreaking effort in the global fight against deforestation and forest degradation. By targeting key commodities and utilizing EO technology for monitoring and compliance, the EU aims to reduce its impact on global deforestation, promoting responsible consumption and production patterns that preserve the world's forests for future generations. In the source article on Geoawesome blog, you may find more insights about the role of EO data applied in deforestation issue.